Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all doing on today? Oh, that's great. I'm doing well, thanks. I hope that all of you will always doing great on this situation right now. Okay, before we start the lesson, uh, let's pray together first. Okay, KM-nya silahkan dipimpin doanya. Okay, berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai. Okay, that's great. Before we start the lesson, I will introduce myself first. Well, my name is Putri Andini. You can call me Miss Putri for the shortened name. And yeah, I think that's all for the introduction. Okay, so I will check the attendance list first before we go into the material. Ya, Miss akan mengecek ya daftar kehadiran kalian. Okay, as I can see on the Zoom meeting right now, there are only 2 students that hasn't come yet. Ada 2 murid ya yang belum datang ke yang belum join kelas Miss. Okay, is there anyone know why that student hasn't come yet? Okay. Oh, siapa namanya yang belum datang ya? Oh, Dinda dan Ilham. Okay, why they haven't come yet into my class? Oh, they both are sick. Okay, that I hope they will getting well soon so they can study again with us, right? Okay, that's nice. Oh ya, untuk materi minggu kemarin, kira-kira gimana? It was hard or was it hard? Was it difficult? Susah nggak materi yang minggu kemarin? I think it's both similar like our material on today. Materinya sama ya, sama yang materi yang akan kita pelajari sekarang, yaitu tentang expression and then intention, right? Kalau jika minggu kemarin itu not really the details, not really going into the details like we will study right now, but on the last week it was just about in the general, cuman secara menyeluruh saja ya, bagaimana cara melakukan expression intention like that. But right now we will study about the structured text ya, tentang struktur teksnya itu bagaimana sih Miss untuk menyusunnya, untuk membuat expression intention itu bagaimana? Okay, well let's get started. Oke, jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini yang pertama itu, siswa mampu mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, structure text, dan unsur kebahasan dalam teks lisan, dan kemudian juga tulis untuk menyatakan menanyakan tentang niat melakukan sesuatu dengan konteks. Kemudian yang kedua adalah menyatakan secara lisan dan tulis, niat melakukan sesuatu dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, structure text, kemudian unsur kebahasan yang benar sesuai konteks. Yang terakhir yaitu adalah menanyakan secara lisan dan tulis niat melakukan sesuatu dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasan yang benar sesuai konteks. Oke, jadi itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini dalam materi expression intention. Okay, so right now, please look at the pictures in the below. Yes, I need 2 students who want to volunteer. Okay, who wants to volunteer to answer the first picture, which is on the left one? Yeah. Is there anyone that can tell me what is the picture is it about? Okay, please raise your hand. All right, Nina. Okay. Okay, you can answer it. Oh yeah, I can hear you right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, wow, that's great, Rina. Okay, that's great. Yeah. So, what was Nina say was about there was a small family on there, and they look really happy. Yeah, it's like they're having a holiday on there, at the beach, right? They're having a holiday at the beach. Okay, that's great, Nina. Thank you, Nina, for the answer. Okay, we will move into another picture on here. Okay, is there anyone who wants to answer the second picture on here? Please raise your hand. Okay, Budi, please answer it. Okay. All right, that's great. Okay, that's great, Budi. Okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, so what was Budi said was about yeah, there was a small family also on there. They are going into the mountain. They are having a holiday on there. Yeah, but what Budi said that we don't know what will the small family doing on there. We don't know like will they are only going into the picnic on there or they will going into the camping on there. We don't know. Yeah, Budi. I agree with you because we didn't see the tent on there, right? Karena mereka tidak membawa itu ya alat-alat perkemahan like that. They're only bring a big backpack, so we don't really consider they will go into the camping on there. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Okay. Thank you for both of the student who wants to volunteer in my class. Thank you. And also, why I'm asking you about those pictures is about since we are studying about the expression intention, ya. Karena kita sekarang sedang belajar tentang expression intention, so it is basically asking about what is your plan? Menanyakan tentang apa sih planning kalian atau apa itu rencana kalian yang akan kalian lakukan pada saat holiday, pada saat liburan. But not only for asking into the holiday, but you can also using the expression intention for daily activities like that. Ya, kita juga dapat menggunakan expression intention ini dalam kegiatan sehari-hari. Jadi, bukan hanya tentang menanyakan rencana pada saat holiday, pada saat liburan, tapi juga bisa pada saat hari ini. Ya, pada saat rencana hari ini. Like, hari ini mau ngapain aja sih? Like that. Or, do you have any plans on today? Apakah kamu punya rencana hari ini? Like that. Okay, so that's basically the general. Right, ya. Jadi itu gambaran secara umumnya tentang expression intention. Okay. Well, is there any question before we move into another slide? Yeah, if you have any question or is there any part that you haven't understand yet, you can just raise your hand and then, yeah, I will answer it to you, of course. No question? Okay. If there is no question, I will move into another slide. Okay. Okay, so this is actually a real question of our session on today. What is expression intention? Or what is actually expression intention is? Okay, is there anyone who wants to answer it first before I answer it, of course? All right. Okay. I see that there is actually someone who turned on the mic, but hey, it went turn off again. Please don't be shy. Okay, Laras, please. I know that you were turning on your mic before. Okay. All right. Thank you, Laras, for your answer. Okay, so I will. Okay, is there anyone who wants to answer it again? Like except Laras, of course. No. Okay, if there is no one who wants to answer it first, who wants to answer after Laras, I will go into another slide. So this is the explanation about the expression intention. What was Lara said was about planning atau rencana ya. That's also true. But jika kamu sudah memiliki niat saja ya, cuman atau hanya niat, that's already counting as a expression intention. Sudah termasuk dalam expression intention. Karena basically expression intention itu adalah digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu niat, rencana, ataupun sesuatu yang ingin dicapai atau diraih. Karena mengutarakan inginan atau sesuatu yang ingin diraihnya. So, this is already niat, ya, tentang niat ataupun rencana, like that. Kemudian, kira-kira apa, Miss, tensesnya yang dipakai itu? Apakah simple present? No, this is not simple present. We can use the future tenses. Kita akan menggunakan future tenses atau yang akan datang karena ini sebuah niat ataupun rencana, like that. Okay. So, on this slide, is there any question? Or, yeah, is there any question before I move into another slide? Please raise your hand. Okay, no question. Yeah, I think this is already clear enough since Lara's already explaining before. Okay. If there is no question, we will move into another slide. Okay, so on this slide, we will study about the structure of expression intention, since there is no one that asking about the last slide. Karena tidak ada yang bertanya di slide sebelumnya, jadi Miss akan langsung masuk ke struktur teksnya itu bagaimana. Okay. So as we can see on here, there is a table on there. So there is like expression plans, and then asking about the plans, and then starting plans or hiding plans, like that. Ada 4 ya jenisnya itu dalam structure of expressing plans. Ada 4 jenisnya. Yang pertama itu expressing plans ya. Bagaimana cara untuk menyatakan planning ya. Bagaimana cara untuk menjawab ataupun ya menyatakan planningnya. Kalimat yang menunjukkan planningnya itu ada di expressing plans. For example, I'd like to ya, for the shorten as in I would like to. I'd like to itu kependekan dari I would like to atau saya ingin bla bla bla. Kemudian ada I will, kemudian I am going to. Artinya sama semua ya, saya akan atau saya ingin melakukan bla 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 atau saya berencana like that. Itu artinya sama semua. And then the next table is about asking about the plans atau bertanya tentang rencana atau niat yang sudah kamu miliki atau niat yang akan kamu tanyakan kepada seseorang. Yang pertama itu adalah what are you going to do when you call him tomorrow? Apa yang ingin kamu lakukan ketika kamu menelpon dia besok? Jadi the plans on here or asking about the plans on here is about on the what are you going. Jadi kalimat expression intentionnya itu ada di what are you going, apa yang ingin kamu lakukan, what are you going to do ya. Kemudian bagaimana sih Miss bisa mengetahui apakah kalimat tersebut merupakan expression intention? Well, that's easy ya. We can see from the going, what are you going to do? Ya, kita dapat melihatnya itu melalui apa sih rencana kamu gitu ya, like that. Kemudian ada kata kerja waktunya, yaitu ada tomorrow. Ya, tadi kan Miss sudah menjelaskan ya bahwa expression intention itu tentang future atau yang akan datang atau rencana. Berarti bukan hari ini ataupun yang sudah lampau, tetapi yang ingin dilakukan. Yaitu tomorrow or next month, next week, ya pokoknya yang akan belum terjadi like that. Kemudian the next sentences. Okay, is there anyone who wants to read it first? Okay, please, Nina again. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Nina, go ahead. Okay, thank you Nina for read it. So kalimat expression intentionnya itu ada what will you do? What will you do on here? Ya, apa yang ingin kamu lakukan dalam 5 menit selanjutnya. Kayak gitu. Jadi sudah termasuk asking about the plans ya. Kemudian ada what would you like to do during your long holiday, and then do you have any plans for this weekend? And then what are you planning to do next week? What do you intend to do next? Is it your intention to go home early? Okay, so there are just about the example of asking about the plans. Itu contoh-contohnya segelintir contohnya tentang jenis-jenis bagaimana cara menanyakan tentang planning, ya, tentang rencana ataupun niat like that. Okay, is there any question before we move into the stating plans? No question. Is it clear enough? Okay, if it is clear enough, I will move into the stating plans. Okay, on the stating plans, itu adalah jawabannya ya. Di sini tuh bagaimana cara kita menjawab ketika seseorang menanyai kita, apa sih rencana kamu, apa yang ingin kamu lakukan pada saat liburan nanti. Okay, so this is how we answer it. We answer people asking about the planning. The first one is about when I meet him, I will give him a special gift. Ketika saya bertemu dia, saya akan memberikan dia sebuah kado yang spesial, sebuah kado yang istimewa like that. So, kira-kira di mana ini expression intentionnya? Okay, is there anyone? Okay, please, Budi. Yeah, that's right. The expression intention itu ada di I will give. Okay. Karena kata kuncinya itu di sini itu adalah will ya, karena future tenses. Karena tenses yang akan datang. Jadi di sini maksudnya itu will. Okay, the next sentence is about I'm going to describe the painting briefly. Okay, kira-kira yang mana kalimat expression intentionnya? Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay. Thank you, Brian. So yeah, this is kalimat expression intentionnya itu adalah I am going to. I'm going to blah blah blah. I'm going to describe like that. Okay. The third sentences is the same like the first one. Kalimat yang ketiga itu sama ya. Kayak seperti kalimat yang pertama, contoh kalimat yang pertama itu I will. Ya, kalimat expression intentionnya like that. Okay, and then the last sentences of stating plans. Okay, is there anyone who wants to read it? Okay, Laras. Okay, Laras, please read it. Okay, thank you, Laras. Okay, so Laras, which one yang menyatakan expression intentionnya? Kata-katanya yang mana? Ataupun kalimatnya yang mana like that? Yeah, that's true. Okay, thank you, Laras. Ya, Laras bilang jawabannya itu adalah I'd like to. Yeah, that's true. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's right, Laras. Jadi betul jawabannya Laras itu I'd like to say a big thing. Jadi jawaban yang menyatakan expression intention yaitu adalah I would like to. Yeah, okay, that's true. Okay, before we move into the hiding place, is there any question for the setting place on here? No question? Okay, I think this is actually easy, right? Because no one that answer, no one that who wants to asking a question. Okay, that's great. Okay, the last one is about hiding place. Maksudnya hiding plans itu belum tahu ya. Masih, iya memang rencana, but uh, this person is actually doesn't have any particular plan, jadi belum yakin gitu apakah ia akan benar-benar melakukannya walaupun ini hanya planning. Tapi tetap saja this person don't really know yet, don't know yet that if he will want to do it or not. Jadi belum tahu apakah orang itu ingin melakukannya atau tidak gitu, walaupun hanya planning, right? Okay, the first one, the first sentence or the first example is about I've got no particular plan in mind. Saya benar-benar tidak memiliki rencana di pikiran saya, jadi benar-benar blank. Yeah, there is actually no planning in my mind like that. So, okay, so this person is actually doesn't have a planning. Jadi benar-benar nggak punya rencana gitu. Saya nggak tahu apa yang ingin saya lakukan like that. And then the second one is about I'll never tell. Jadi ya, I will keep it as a secret like that. Jadi basically orang ini itu tidak ingin ada orang yang tahu gitu rencana dia. So they will say I will never tell. Saya tidak akan ingin memberitahu seseorang like that. And then the next one is about that's for me to know and you to find out. So this is like playing a hide and seek, I think ya. Seperti permainan petak umpet ya. Well, itu cuma saya saja yang tahu. Dan untuk kamu bisa mencari tahunya like that. So basically this person doesn't really want to tell. The planning about. So this is similar like the second sentences I think ya. Ini mirip artinya sama yang kedua karena sama-sama tidak ingin memberitahu. And then the fourth one is about you will see. Kamu akan melihat, jadi sepertinya orang ini ingin memberikan a surprise. You will see, alright, we will see about that. Kamu akan melihatnya gitu pada saat hari nanti. And then the last one is about it's a secret. Ya, ini basically ini rahasia. There is no one that can know about that. Okay, like that. Okay, is there any question for hiding plans or for the whole table? Is there any question for anyone? No question? Like for real, there is no question before I move into another slide? Okay, no question? Okay, well, I don't know that if I have to be lucky or not because there is no one that wants to ask, but yeah, I just hope that all of you will understand it. Okay, that's great. Okay, we'll move into another slide. Okay, so this is the slide about the dialect of expression intention ya. Sekarang itu adalah contoh dialognya, bagaimana kalau jika dibikin dalam bentuk dialog. Karena sebelumnya itu kan hanya dalam bentuk sentences ya, jadi tidak saling berkaitan satu sama lain. But right now, here we go. There's an example about dialect of expression intention. But I also need two students who wants to volunteer to read it out loud. Okay, please don't be shy and then turn on your mic. Okay, Laras and Budi? Okay, there you go. Okay, thank you Laras and Budi for volunteering to read it out loud. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, the first dialogue is about A ya. Hey B, what are you going to do this Sunday? Halo B, apa yang ingin kamu lakukan minggu ini ya? Ya dalam minggu ini. And then the B answer, hey A, I'm going to visit my grandfather in Malang. How about you? Saya akan mengunjungi kakek saya di Malang. How about you? Kalau kamu bagaimana? I still don't have a plan for this Sunday. Saya tidak memiliki rencana apapun dalam minggu ini. Maybe you can go to the movie theater and watch some cool movies. Mungkin kamu bisa pergi ke bioskop dan menonton film-film yang bagus ya, atau film-film yang keren like that. Okay, so the expression and intention on this dialogue yaitu ada di what are you going to do ya, apa yang ingin kamu lakukan. Kemudian ada di I'm going to visit, saya akan mengunjungi ya, itu merupakan sebuah jawaban untuk rencana. Kemudian yang pertama itu adalah cara menanyakan rencana ataupun niat like that. Oh, and then one more, yeah, I think that's all. I still don't have a plan. That's also the answer for expression intention. Itu termasuk salah satu di expression intention ya, jawaban expression intention juga itu. Saya tidak tahu, saya belum memiliki rencana untuk minggu ini. Itu termasuk hiding plans, right? Itu termasuk dalam hiding plans karena tidak tahu jawabannya. Like, there is no particular in my mind. Jadi benar-benar si A ini belum memikirkan apa yang ingin dia lakukan like that. Okay, it's easy, right? Yeah, it's easy. Okay, I hope that it's easy for all of you guys. Yeah, well, as usual, is there any question? Because I think this is our last slide on here. Because on the next slide, it was about evaluation for all of you guys. Is there any question before we will answer it? Before we'll answer our doing the assignment? Is there any question? I will give you a last chance on here. Come on. Okay. No? Alright, if there is no question, we will move into another slide for doing the evaluation or doing the assignment. Okay. Okay, so this is our last slide on here. I mean, like on today, this is our last slide on today. Since there is no one who wants to ask me a question, okay, so yeah, I will give you 10 minutes for doing this exercise. Okay, please do it. Okay, since I already have the answer, all of you guys, I will explaining about the answer on here. Okay, hey B, what are you going to do this Sunday? Halo B, apa yang ingin kamu lakukan pada minggu ini? Hey A, I'm going to visit my grandfather in Bandung. How about you? Halo A, saya akan mengunjungi kakek saya di Bandung. Bagaimana denganmu? Well, actually, that's a good idea. Sebenarnya itu adalah ide yang bagus, but I have to do my homework first. Tetapi sih harus mengerjakan PR saya dulu. Have you done your homework? Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan PR-mu? No, I want to do my homework tonight. Belum, saya ingin melakukan PR saya nanti malam. Shall we do our homework together? Apakah kamu ingin mengerjakan PR bersama? Yeah, sure, why not? Ya, tentu, kenapa tidak? Okay, awesome. Okay, that's great. Okay, bagus ya. I will go to your house at 6 p.m. Is that cool? Saya akan pergi ke rumah kamu pada jam 6 sore. Apakah waktu tersebut tidak apa-apa? Yeah, cool. See you soon. See ya. Okay. So this is actually the answer on here. Ya, jadi expression intention-nya itu seperti biasa, yaitu ada what are you going, kemudian I'm going, ya, kemudian ada shall we, itu juga termasuk dalam expression intention, kemudian ada I will. So, yeah, this is the expression intention on here. Is there any question for our material today? No question again? Okay, well, no question again. Well, I can't do anything about that, right? Okay, so if there is actually no question, yeah, I think that's all for our lesson today. Oh yeah, but please read your material for the next week, because we will talk about struktur kebahasannya, yaitu tentang bagaimana cara menggunakan I will going to, or I am going to, or shall we, like that. So please read your textbook first, because we will discuss about it later. Okay, well, if there is no question, I will say that's all for today. Sorry for the mistakes. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on next week. Bye-bye.